Hey friends, and welcome back. Welcome to anyone that is new. I am so glad you stopped by. Today we are going to be cleaning and decorating my downstairs. I have not tackled this mess since I took down my Christmas decor, you guys, and it was in such disarray and needed so much attention. So I'm so excited to share all of that with you today. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get more of this kind of content coming your way.
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night.
In the last video, I shared with you my new farmhouse hutch that I made over, and that is in my dining room. So I did decide to go ahead and clean in here first and redecorate. I love the farmhouse style. I love the mixtures of different textures and heights and all of the things that make it so cozy, and that is what we are doing here today.
I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems that you're dropping clues.
During the Christmas season, I do put my Christmas village up on these huge floating shelves in my dining room, and it is a lot. So for today, I'm going to keep it nice and simple. In just a couple of weeks, I am going to be decorating my home for spring and Easter, and I know all of that fun and colorful floral atmosphere is going to transform this space over, but for now I just want to keep it nice and simplistic so that I can just kind of get into my mojo when it comes to decorating and really let my creativity out.
We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
As you can see, my real life mess here, this table is 100% a catch-all for us. It is the table right next to our garage door, and that is our main point of entry in and out of our home. So I try to keep it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And today I am just going to again keep it simple. I'm using a tray, some candlesticks, and a metal pitcher that I will eventually put flowers in, but I am holding off on that until my spring decorates. For this shelf above the table, I'm just going to go ahead and place this gather sign. I love this because of the meaning behind it, but it is also directly across from our dining room table.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left.
My husband and I have a knack for projects, and this dining room table is one of the things we did first together, and it is so big and so heavy, and I love it so much. But we are considering cutting it down just a little bit because it's a little bit kind of cramped in this space, but I do want to make sure that this stays in our home for a very long time.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures.
I absolutely adore these pre-lit faux candles, and these are actually done on a timer with a little remote control. So every day about 4:30 they turn back on, stay on for 5 hours, and then turn off all on their own, and I never have to worry about blowing them out. I grabbed these ones at Costco. I know that they sell them at Hobby Lobby and other locations, but Costco had the best deal. It was 5 of them for only $20, you guys, so definitely check out your local Costco to see if you have them as well. To finish up this space, I am just going to go ahead and quickly vacuum. I love my Dyson handheld vacuum. I was so bummed because I had a faulty battery, but because I registered it, they sent me a brand new battery for free. So thank you to Dyson for that, and thank you to my husband for actually getting a hold of them to get me a new battery. For some reason, my daughter absolutely loves when I vacuum. She's always rushing over to watch me while I'm vacuuming. So I think one of those little push Dyson toy vacuums is on the list for her birthday. But for now, Daddy is just going to let her watch while I finish vacuuming this room. So it is the following day and we are in the guest bathroom downstairs, and we are just going to start off by restocking the toilet paper and making sure there is a fresh roll ready to go. I am the worst when it comes to dusting places that are higher than my reach, so I am up on a step stool just to get the top of this little hutch that we created. Again, this was one of our DIY projects. I grabbed this at a garage sale and gave it a quick little makeover for our downstairs powder room.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
A great way to cozy up your home is to mix both new and old items, and this antique hairdresser or haircut and shave sign was such a cool find at a local swap meet, and I just could not say no to it. So just a recommendation, if you are like me and you want to find ways to make your home a little cozier, definitely check out antique malls, swap meets, and even your local thrift stores.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
And now that I've given the bathroom a really good once over, I am gonna go ahead and start focusing on the decor. I wanted to incorporate some funny pieces in here, and I'm so excited to show you what I came up with.
I'm gonna skip my breaks.
We're huge Harry Potter and Star Wars fans in this house, and I thought that this use the Force sign was absolutely hilarious and perfect for a guest bathroom.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars.
If you guys have been around a while, you probably know that I do not have baseboards in the downstairs of my home, but you guys, it is on the list to get it done in 2021, and I am so excited.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else.
Just about finished up down here. We just have to go ahead and organize these coats. I'm just taking everything off of this coat rack and making sure everybody has their designated hook. I like to make sure that everything stay nice and organized over here because it can become chaotic really easily. Then we're going to go ahead and clean off and decorate that front table, and that will be it.
Right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
Love using both table runners and baskets to anchor my decor, and I just love the juxtaposition of this lace up against the basket material. I think it looks so pretty. And I'm just finishing it up with some more of my vintage books and one quick little picture frame, and we're gonna call it a day, nice and simple. Are any of you like me? Do you guys use your stairs to store stuff while you are cleaning and then end up having a pile of stuff to put away at the end? I swear this happens to me every time I am cleaning and decorating downstairs, and it's a habit I have got to break. It drives me crazy, yet I never stop.
I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you found this inspiring in some way. It gave you some ideas for decor, or maybe just gave you that motivation you needed to tackle a mess in your home. I am so glad you stopped by, and I hope that I see you again in another one in just a couple days. Make sure that you are following me over on Instagram if you are not already, and click that subscribe button down below. It's totally free, you guys, and it helps me out so much. I can't wait to see you all in another video. Bye!
I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it